In this video we'll look at how we use the PDF markup functionality in DDM. So if we take this drawing, it has a PDF preview, and what we're going to do is to mark up this PDF with some changes. So if we right click on this and use the markup function, then the PDF opens. Depending on what tools we have available, we can add some comments to this, and we're going to just put a red line around here. Once we've added that information, then we can save it back to DDM. So we just use the save function. In terms of save as, we use exactly the same folder that it's been opened from. So this is Office Working, and we keep exactly the same name. So we replace that, and then we say yes, store the change to DDM. And now that is complete. So if we now look at the properties of this, we can see under attachments that there is a PDF markup. To view that, we can simply open again. So if we go to Markup, View PDF Markup, and then the file opens with any comments that we've added. Once any corrections have been made to the drawing, then we can clear the PDF markup. So if we clear this and look at the properties now, the PDF markup has been removed.